Hello, today we are going to look tips which can help a truck driver make a plan for road safety. Tips which can help a truck driver make a plan for road safety. Njia zipi dereva yoyote wa malori anaweza fanya kwa kufanikisha uendeshaji mzuri kwa barabara. So tips which can help a truck driver make a plan for road safety. Number 1, check your blind spot. Check your blind spot. Blind spot ni nini? A blind spot, it is whereby as a driver you can't see. It is the place where you can't see where you are inside the vehicle. It is the place where you cannot see while you are inside the vehicle. So ni mahali ambapo hauwezi ona kama wewe dereva ukiendesha gari ukiwa ndani ya hiyo gari. So it is a place whereby as a driver you can't see well while you are driving the vehicle. So check your blind spot. So make sure kila blind spot ya gari yako unajua mahali iko. Hiyo ingine, be aware of wrong stopping distance. Be aware of a wrong stopping distance. Wrong stopping distance. Uwe unafahamu mahali pa kusimama, wrong stopping distance. Wrong stopping distance. Hiyo ingine, make a wide turn. Car carefree. Make wide turns car carefree. Kama gari yako ni trailer ama gari yako ni mrefu, make sure ukikata those corners ama those turns, you make them carefully. So make wide turns car carefully. Hiyo ingine, always back up. Always back up. So in case mko kwa barabara, so kuwa na enough space in between wewe na gari yenye iko mbele. So make sure you have enough space in between gari yako na yenye iko hapo mbele. So always back up. Hiyo ingine, drive at a safe speed. Drive at a safe speed. Lori usiteremke nayo na speed kubwa. So drive at a safe speed. So drive at a safe speed which you can maintain in case of anything. Hiyo ingine, stay focused and avoid distracted driving. Stay focused and avoid distracted driving. Uwe focused kwa barabara na uzuie kudistrapiwa, kuwa distracted. Na kuna some few videos nimechukua what is distraction, types of distraction, na kule kwingi tunasema avoid what? Distraction. So stay focused and avoid distraction. So while you are driving, you stay focused and avoid distractions. Hiyo ingine, always use your mirror, your signals. Always use your signals. Always use your signals. Always use your signals. Use your signals correctly. Always use your signals. Always use your signals correctly. If it is right, una indicate proper na una indicate before ufike. If it is left, una indicate. If it is right, una indicate. So use your signals properly. Hiyo ingine, maintain your vehicle. Maintain your vehicle. Jaribu kutengeneza gari yako. So hizo ya kwanza tulisema uangalie blind spot zako. Be aware of long distance stopping. Huo unajua ni mahali unaenda kusimama ni wapi. Make a wide turns carefully. Wakati una make turn ukiwa na gari mrefu unazimake vizuri. Always back up. Avoid tailgating ama kukaribiana. Drive at a safe speed. Endesha na ile speed unaona iko sawa. Stay focused and avoid distracted driving. Uwe focused kwa barabara na uzuie kusumbuliwa kwa barabara. Always your signals. Tumia signals zako vizuri na maintain your vehicle. Jaribu kutengeneza gari yako.